Hi, I'm John Greaves III, editor and publisher of the Home Gym Quarterly magazine, the only magazine in the world written by and for home gym owners. Our YouTube channel is all about helping you achieve your fitness goals at home with workout tips, simple do-it-yourself projects you can use to upgrade your home gym, and interviews with industry professionals who serve the home gym community. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single one of our videos. Today, former British Army soldier Thomas Lonsdale gives us a tour of his home gym in the UK, where he trains during the off-season for marathons and ultramarathons using kettlebells, maces, sleds, as well as barbells and dumbbells to build the muscle he needs to stay healthy and injury-free. Check it out.
World, my name's Tom. Welcome to my garage gym. So, starting off with the grand tour, I've got 2 poles in each corner with resistance bands hanging from them. That essentially gets used for anything you would use a cable machine for. So it's a real cheap way of getting basically the use of a cable machine. As you can see, you can put resistance bands at different heights along the pole and do anything you could do with a cable machine. Then moving along the wall, I've got all my accessories hung up. So more resistance bands, skipping rope, neck harness, dip and chin belt, weights belt, unicorn mask, so all the essentials. Coming back down here, got 2 plyo boxes, so I've got a big one from Gravity Fitness and then a little one from Strength Shop. Essentially, if I am going to use the big one for jumping on, I've got to pull that outside as I don't have a lot of headspace in here. Little one used for split squats, step ups. Weight vest on top of that, so this weight vest is really good because you can go from 1 kilogram all the way up to 20 kilograms in 1 kilogram increments, so it's really good dependent on what you're doing. I find it better than the plate carrier ones, which you can't really change weight with much. Then moving further down, got a weights bench, so flat bench from Strength Shop. Basically use that for bench pressing with kettlebells, that's about it. Barbell, bumper plates. So this doesn't get used that much as I mainly run, but when I'm not really training for anything in particular running wise, I'll focus on a bit more strength, building a bit of mass, start using the barbell a bit more. I've got a landmine set up in the corner which I have shoved inside some old bumper plates that don't get used, so that's really good for doing other movements like pressing, do front squats with that. Then up on the wall, I've got parallettes. So these are all from Gravity Fitness. I won't say I'm the best in terms of bodyweight movements, but they're great for adding a little bit of difference to doing your press ups. And you can do a few L-sits with them, which is good. And then further down here, I've got more weighted stuff. So I've got dumbbells and then kettlebells. And newest addition to the gym are these mace bells, which are all from Strength Shop. Found really good for shoulder mobility work, add a little bit of variety to my training. So kettlebell wise, I've got 48 kilograms all the way down to 6 kilograms. So I've got plenty of kettlebells in there. They're mainly what I use for training with strength wise. Medals from running, got everything from 10k all the way up to 100 miles. Gotta get that in there. And then the Garage Gym Life poster, which has taken a barbell to it. There did used to be glass in front of that, but that got put through. Squat stands, they were a cheap buy. To be perfectly honest, I wish I hadn't skimped on them because they're not very good, and that's why they're now shoved away in the corner. Gym matting, I actually bought these mats from Amazon. They were supposed to be equestrian mats. Nice heavy duty, basically bought 2, stuck some Gorilla Tape down the middle, don't move anywhere, really good for dropping weights on. Stopwatch up in the corner, couple of flags, act as curtains, larger parallettes from Gravity Fitness, couple of slam balls, assault bike, horrendous bit of kit. That's the most expensive thing I've bought in here, but it does get used pretty often, so it was a worthy investment. And then finishing up down here, so I've got a weight sled down in the corner, That's got 80 kilograms of weights thrown on it that don't get taken off. Again, they're old bumper plates that I bought off eBay. If I want more plates, I'll just add further bumpers on there. And then obviously I'm not going to be able to push that inside here. So opening the big garage door leads me into my back garden. Fake grass, push the sled up and down, and that is what I'm about to do now. So that ends the tour of this glorious garage gym. Hope you've enjoyed it.